Okay, so last week I was on a company visit to Sellable Technology. It is a big tech giant in data and cloud services. I got a chance to meet both the co-founder Anupam and Anirudh, and it was altogether a great experience. During a discussion about the LLM models and systems, someone asked the founder, according to you, when will India have its own LLM model and how long will we keep on using foreign ones? One of them replied, why do you think we even need our own LLM system? Instead of building something from scratch, we should improve and build on existing global tech, making it better, more structured, and easier to use rather than renovating the wheel. At that moment, I completely agree. And I thought, yeah, what's the need of spending the resources in making something that already exists? But later, when I spoke to one of my friends, he gave me a completely different perspective. He said that's really makes sense if we think of the world as one big tech community. But that's not the reality. In real world, countries compete, have conflicts, and sometimes even turn apart completely and act as enemies. What if we are completely or fully dependent on another country's LLM system, giving them our data and building our own tools on top of their, and then one day, due to any geopolitical tension, they just completely cut us off? That gave me a thinking, and I researched more about this, and then I came across a real example. Do you know about Naira Energy? It is the second largest crude oil refinery, a joint venture with Russia's Rosneft. Recently, because of the US sanction on Russia and certain Indian identities also, Microsoft cut off all their services like Outlook, Azure, email, everything. Overnight, a huge part of their operations was disturbed. This is not just about oil companies. If tomorrow we are using a foreign LLM systems or any tech innovation for critical government and healthcare or any defense system and those services are denied, the impact would be disastrous. That's why the idea of India's having its own LLM system is not just about the technology. It's also about the security and control over our future.